Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akinyi, and if this is your first time on my channel, you're most definitely welcome. And if this is not your first time, thank you so much for tuning in once again. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a DIY hair and skin moisturizer. And so if you're interested in knowing how to do so, then keep on watching. So to make this moisturizer, you only need two ingredients, water and glycerin. So I have water on my spray bottle, and I also have my glycerin. This is the ideal glycerin, 100 millimeters, and it goes for 85 shillings. You want your ingredients or your water to be 75%, and then the 25% to be the glycerin. So the reason why we are using the glycerin is because glycerin is a humectant, and generally what humectants tend to do is they attract moisture, or rather absorb moisture from the atmosphere. So you definitely want to use this on your skin and your hair, but I think for the most part of it, I think I'll use it on my hair, especially when I want my hair to be really moisturized. Yeah, I really measured my water, but it's definitely going to be a lot more than the glycerin, so I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'll just pour the glycerin into the water. Yeah, and then I'm going to shake it up to mix it, and then that's it. That's the moisturizer. So you need it on your hair and your skin. For the most part of it, I'll be using it on my hair. So you definitely need moisture on your hair. Like I said, if you want to grow your hair, you need your hair to be moisturized, and so this is going to attract moisture from the atmosphere into your hair, and then your hair will be constantly moisturized. A disclaimer to this thing is you only want to use this moisturizer if you don't mind shrinkage. But if you want to do something like a twist out or a braid out or flex it out, anything that has defined curls, then you definitely want to run away from glycerin, because your hair will shrink and then your curls will just be freezing, and that's what you want, especially if your hair is high porosity. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's what I sometimes use on my hair if I want my hair to be like really moisturized, and yeah, that's it. So pretty much that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you in one way or the other, and then if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and comment down below. And up until the next video, bye bye.